Jai Hind India's future, how are you all? I hope that you are all well. If you want to learn spoken English, so you can uh, watch my video. If you don't want to speak if you don't want to speak English, you can't you don't see my you don't watch my video. You want learn English with me, you see, you look, you watch my video. So let's start. It's and I practice. You know about I am practice this time, and I using cell phone. Yesterday I talk with chat gpt, and I asked some question, uh, chat gpt, and I asked chat gpt I asked some question as chat gpt, and he replied me. I talk in English, and sometimes I use my own language. I was using my own language, so but it's not important. He can talk. It talk. He talks. It talks in English, and I talk in Hindi. So it's it's not good for me. But I want to practice. I daily practice, and I talk. One day I don't know how to talk with voice by of ChatGPT from by ChatGPT. So I don't know, but I asked ChatGPT that how can I uh, talk in English? How can I talk you in English? And he tell you can chat. You can chat, and you can write message. You can text message, and I can reply. But I said I want to speak English. So he replied me, you in your phone, do you have uh, sound? You opened uh, uh, sound. Yeah, I don't know, but I said I don't know where is how can I open. But he said you take a screenshot and send me. And I is took a screenshot. I send you, and he when he saw my screenshot, then he replied me that your sound is here. You can talk. You can speak English, and I can reply in voice. So and sometimes I speak, and at that time start, and I asked, do you know how to speak uh, Chinese language? He said, yes, I know very well. Okay, okay, sorry. I said, if you know if you know, then you when I speak Chinese language, you translate in English. And I don't know how to Chinese language, but some I use like I don't tell, but like Chinese speak. So I try to speak some words. So I know I spoke wrong, but he translated my sentence. I In Chinese language I know one word, ni hao. It's mean hello. But other and I don't know other language, other words, but I know because some after before 2 year or 3 years, when I was in 10th or 11th class, I I downloaded Duolingo. You know about Duolingo, and when I first I learned English, but I know translate. I I know translate how to translate. So he teach Duolingo taught me translator, but after some time I deleted Duolingo and I leave I lived English practice after sometimes I when I was in 12th I feel I should learn spoken English. I should learn spoken I should learn spoken English and I used to and I started to go to coaching and I learned spoken English and I learned very well and right now I am speaking on camera. But now I don't talk any person but I want to talk in my relation in my relation a boy is who knows how to speak English but uh, I don't have his cell phone number. I i want to take but he doesn't meet me and I don't meet he don't meet. Yesterday I saw him but he was riding bike and he went he went and I I didn't talk I didn't talk with him. So this reason I don't practice and when will meet him I will take his number and I talk with in English. But I have a friend who know how to speak English but he doesn't want he doesn't want to talk in English with me because I have his number and sometimes I said you know how to speak English and you also know how to speak English, you can talk with me and we both can practice but he said I have forget everything. I said no problem, this time I am learning. If you if you speak wrong I will tell you. But he said no, I don't speak, I forget everything man. I said no problem, as you wish. If you talk with me you can talk you you when you feel I want to practice and you call me in case of need. So there so he doesn't call me after before 2 months ago. I called him and he spoke he was speaking Hindi. So I said you should speak English because you have learned English. But he said I forget. No, I said no matter. And I started to practice uh, through videos and it's good for me because now I am removing my hesitation and I can face camera easily. But I have no experience how to face people, how to how to speak English with people. So it's my problem. But sometimes when I will talk any person so I can remove and I can talk in English. And I I if I want if I would like to tell something like, yeah, yesterday I made video and I upload. But that video single view doesn't come. I feel bad and I feel bad. So this reason I don't. But sometimes before 2 days I didn't make video, and yesterday I made video. Then I uploaded, and views doesn't come. So I feel bad. But right now today I am making video, and I will upload. See, I will see how many views come in my video. So that's all. Jai Hind.